guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new, welcome back if you've been here before. It's your girl Nana, and I'm here with another video. I'm here with this install video. This unit is from Unice hair, and I did go out and purchase this hair a while ago. It's been a little minute since I've had the hair. I do purchase all the units that I do install on my channel. I don't get anything sponsored yet. Hopefully in the future I do get a couple of sponsored videos and some hair sent to me so I can put out more hair videos. But this unit is from Unice. Like I said, this is their 13 by 4 it's either 22 or 24 inches. I'll leave everything down below. This is their HD 180 densities unit, and honestly, like, this hair did not come in this color. I had to go out and like I did this color myself, and it was a lot. Like I said, I'm learning how to do my own hair. I'm learning to do my own installs, and this is trial and error for me. Like, I'm learning. I'm not a hairstylist, so please don't slander me in the comments when you see me putting on this unit or making a mistake or doing something stupid. I am learning. So yeah, so this hair is like a honey brown, chocolate brown situation. Like, honestly, I've been dying for a hair color like this for a hot minute now, so I decided to just color this unit. Initially, like, I had made this unit into a side part, but I'm not really a side part girl. I'm really a middle part girl. Like, I love a middle part, a nice neat middle part with some cute baby hairs, and I'm getting better with my baby hairs. Like, I'm just getting better, like, installing my units, period. But I'm so proud of myself, and I don't know, I love this, and I hope you guys love this hair too. But I love this hair, and I'm gonna be wearing it for a little minute. So this hair, I bleached it, I plucked it, and I colored it myself. I just I tried to do highlights first. That didn't work out because I don't know how to do highlights. Like, I'm learning everything through YouTube. So I tried to do highlights. That was a fail. So I just went back in and bleached this hair a little more, and then I went in with a I think the Adore honey brown. It's honey brown. Yes, I use honey brown, and I just watercolored it after I bleached the whole entire head. And like I said, I bleached the knots, and I plucked the frontal, and yeah, this is what we got here. So you're just gonna watch me. This is actually gonna be a reinstall. Like I said, I did do a side part initially when I installed this hair. I didn't record it. I don't know, I just didn't record it. But this is gonna be a reinstall of me doing it with a middle part instead, and just, you know, this is what I like, this little cute little middle part. I'm a middle part girl. I'm not really into side parts. So I'm not gonna keep rambling, but before we do go, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. If you're not subscribed and you're like watching this video, what are you doing? Like, what are you doing? Like, just join the family. You ain't gonna be disappointed. Just join my family. And yeah, make sure that you subscribe, turn on your bell notifications so you are notified of the next time I post up a video. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you do end up enjoying it, and also leave me a comment down below with any questions you have, any comments, just anything. Leave it down below, and I will definitely be responding. But with that being said, we're gonna get right into this video.
Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. I am here with this unit from Unice. I'll leave the details to the wig down below, but here I'm just starting off by going in with some concealer just to kind of tint my lace and make it match my skin. Then I'm going in with this Ebon Wonder spray. This is the red bottle, obviously, and I feel like this is the best spray. I know they have the yellow bottle and the black bottle, but honestly the red one is the best one. So if you're gonna grab any, I would grab the red spray. And I'm just spraying it all over I'm spraying it on my lace and also under my lace, just so it lays really good. So just make sure you spray that spray on any part of the lace that you want to apply. And I sprayed it directly on the lace. honestly, this spray works wonders. Like, I sprayed it when I had it installed initially, I did just use a spray. I didn't use glue, and just with the spray, my install lasted like a week and a half, almost 2 weeks. So this spray is really, really good. Now I'm just going in with this elastic band. I use the one with Velcro because you can adjust it and it's not going to be too tight. Then I'm going in with my Care wax stick, and I'm just applying that to all the areas that I want to hot iron and I want to lay flat. And I feel like it's a necessity. If you want your unit to lay flat, you need a wax stick, and you need a really hot hot comb, and your braids underneath the unit need to be super, super flat. So I'm just hot combing all the top because I want that to lay super flat. Nobody wants a lumpy wig. And I'm going ham, Then I'm gonna go in with the Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine, and just apply that all over my hair. I'm going in with my flat iron, and I'm going to go ahead and just flat iron my whole entire head. And my unit, when I took it off initially, I didn't wash it, so it's kind of oily. I should have washed it, but when I take it off, I'm going to wash it. I'm sure the hair would have been more flowy and not weighed down. It's not super weighed down, but I think the top is a bit weighed down, but that's because I didn't wash it. After I took it off, I just washed the front of it and took the glue off, and yeah. I'm just going in, flat ironing. Now I'm gonna remove the elastic band, which is super stuck to my head, but that's fine. It didn't lift anything but just the front and a little bit of the sides, which I just went back in with the Ebony spray and just resprayed it and just held it down. And this Ebony spray is really the truth, so yeah, it was worth it. It's worth my little coins. Now I'm just going in with the Nairobi foaming mousse. I didn't curl my baby hairs because I'm kind of getting used to doing them without having to curl it. So I just used the foaming mousse just to mold my baby hairs the way I want it. So I'm just going to use a pretty generous amount of that just to get my baby hairs to mold the way I want them. I'm just playing with them just to get them molded the way I want to. You do your baby hairs how you want it, however you like it. This is how I like it, so I do it that way. And then I'm just going in with these wraps until the baby hairs dry. Then I'm going ahead and removing them and just combing out my baby hairs because they were hard after I took the black papers off, so I just went back in and just combed them out just so they can be a little soft and not looking so hard. And I didn't apply any edge control or anything like that because they didn't need it, so I just combed them out and that was it. Now I'm just going back in with that Ebony spray and just spraying some on these sides because they were lifting a little bit. And then I'm just going back in and re-flat ironing my hair and just styling it the way I want to wear it. I've been wearing it like that, with one behind my ear and the other one just, laid down flat. And I love this unit so much. And here I'm just going to show you a close-up of the wig. This wig was easy to work with, easy to color, easy to pluck. And I just love it. I love this color. I love everything about this wig. Once again, this is not sponsored. This is just my honest opinion about the wig. It was really easy to work with. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.